Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question, that is 214 shortest palindrome. And before that, I would like to urge you all to please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, drop a comment in which like any improvement you want, anything on which I should make video upon. Just let me know on that, and most probably we'll be doing live sessions as well. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's just quickly dive into the video. And this we have to the question is shortest palindrome, and we will be given a string s, and we can convert s to a palindrome by adding characters in front of it, and we have to return the shortest palindrome we can find by performing this transformation. For example, we are given the current string as double a c e c then triple a, so we can just add one a to in the front of it, and the whole string will become palindrome again. In the next example, we are having a b c d, so we need to find we can just append dcb in front of it, and it will become a palindrome. Okay, so I hope that you have got a basic idea what we have to do, and for that I'll be approaching like I'll be appending characters from back to the front, and then I'll be checking that if it's possible to make a palindrome or not. Okay, so firstly let's have n that is equal to s dot length, and let's have two pointers that is equal to 0 and j is equal, let's have left and right, some better, left equal to 0 and right equal to n minus 1. And then while j is greater than or equal to 0, I'll be checking that if s dot char at I is equal to s dot char at j, that means we don't have to append this character. In this I'll be incrementing my I, and in the other cases I'll be decrementing my j. Okay, and now I have to calculate the remaining string, like which is the string which I need to append, so I'll be having the answer. So let's have a string remaining, so that will be equal to substring from ith index as dot substring I. Okay, and I'll be checking that if I don't have to append anything, so that means if remain dot length equal to 0, I'll be returning s as it is. It means that it's already a palindrome. We just have to reverse the string, so string, because I need to, like in this case, if I have to append bcd, I have to reverse it. A string ref, so that will be equal to new string builder from remaining, and in this I'll be doing a reverse function call, and I'll be converting it to string. Okay, and now I just have to return reverse, plus I'll have to call this function again, that shortest palindrome. Okay, with s dot substring 0 comma I plus my remaining string. Okay, now let's give it a run. Oh, sorry, here it should be okay, just a second, I guess. Okay, now I guess I have to update this j to right and I with left. Okay, now let's give it a run again. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine as well. Okay, so this was for video. Thank you for watching.